You are always smart about choosing your car. Now you can be smart about owning it too. Introducing Hyundai Subscription, operated by Revv. A whole new way to own cars. Switch between cars like you switch between gears, even across cities. Free maintenance, roadside assistance and more. All this without any down payment or deep pockets. With Hyundai Subscription, there is not one but two ways to be smart. You can go for a monthly plan or a yearly plan. Either way, you can own the car at a nominal monthly fee. Pick any Hyundai car and we will get it for you. Zero down payment, zero registration fees, zero road tax. Hyundai Subscription. Now own a car without owning a car. To know more, visit www.revv.co.in/Hyundai Subscription or download the Revv app.